Hi friends, welcome back to this channel. Government of Jammu and Kashmir has launched an online program where you can apply for domicile certificate if you have all the valid documents including Aadhaar card. And I'll just show you step by step how to log into this website, how to register and how to apply for the domicile certificate. All this will be shown here. And now what I should say you is you can do it on any of your device. It can be an iPad or a mobile or even a laptop. So what you have to do is just open a Google page, search page, and from any of the browser, and in the search you just give jk gov services and just open this links friend, jk.gov.in, jk services. So this is the link friends. When you click there, the first time website may not load, you can keep it refreshed. Now what you have to do is for the first time you have to register here. Okay, without registration you cannot apply for the domicile certificate. As of now I'll just show you how to quickly register. Click on the register button and then select. This website might behave like this, site cannot be reached. You keep refreshing it. Okay, pull down or refresh it, it might come here. Then you get a pop-up like this. You can open this and read it. Okay, these are the instructions you are going to follow, and make sure clearly they have told that user has to register using the citizen registration link. Okay, so the registration is mandatory. I'm just going to show you how this registration can be done. And also just read these 5-6 points where they say your passport size photo is needed and it should be 50 KB in size. So make sure all these things are there. You take a photo, if needed you resize it. So you just read through these 5-6 points. I'm not going to waste time on this. So let us see how to do a citizen registration. Let us come back to the web page. Just close this pop-up. You can there is an into mark here, and just friends, just close this. Now you are into citizen registration form. We are going to register as an applicant. So you have to give all the details. Ask for your name, your parentage, all these things. I'm just not taking time to fill this. Just select your district out of this. It can be anything in Jammu and Kashmir. Select your district, and followed by you can select the tehsil also, and village and pin code. All this should be proper. And scroll down and enter your mobile number in email. This is also mandatory, and if you lost the password and stuff, you might need an email. So enter correctly your email and password. Now you are going to enter a login ID. Okay, for example, if I enter jk login as my login ID, this is for example, you can select your own. After entering, click on the check availability. Okay, this is a must. Without this you cannot forward. You should check an availability. It takes some time and it will show you this user is available or someone has already selected it. So in my case it is available. So you can give your name or anything what you can remember for. Okay, so that later you can log in with this. This is your login ID you are going to log in with. And select a security question and answer. This is for the case where you forget the password. So give a security question. After everything, enter the captcha here, copy the captcha here and click on the preview button. So when you enter all the details as shown above, see I missed something, so that's the pop-up. So if you miss, you will get a pop-up like this. I missed applicant's photograph and it is mandatory. You can see here, click on OK. So if you have a pop-up like this, you read it what you have missed, go there. And in my case I have to upload the photo. Click on the update photo button and you get another pop-up where you can choose file. Okay, remember friends, this size and the dimension should match, otherwise it will not take it. You can resize using your mobile or something. You click on the upload there. You can see two options, camera or documents. Usually if you select camera and take a photo, it will be bigger than 50 KB. See, for example, I just tried in camera, it is bigger than 50 KB. You cannot attach it. So it is something like this. After attaching a 50 KB, you will get it like this. Okay, once photo is also uploaded, all the things are right, click on preview button. Things are right. You can see here I am into preview of citizen registration details. That means all the things are okay. I just wanted to validate. Just scroll down one by one. Make sure all the data is correct before submitting. Once it is done, you click on submit, because you may not be able to change it later, photo and stuff. So make sure all the things are correct and clear one. So you can see here I am success. So note down this number, it's very important. You will not get any SMS. So please note down your citizen ID, and this is the citizen ID and your login ID which you had checked for, and password also there. So password will be given to you for the first time. Next time you have to enter using this password. Again I come back to the citizen registration portal. This time you click on login button. Once you click on login button, you can see here, give your login ID which you have already checked for availability and you got it right. So enter the login ID and enter the password, you got it in the last screen. And next you select citizen as the option. You have three options: CSC, operator, administrator, but you have to select the citizen option. After that, enter the captcha here and click on the submit button. So your things are right now. If anything happens, you keep refreshing. See, most of the time this happens. Just refresh it, no problem, and again click on continue button, and again you can enter your username password if it is asked again. So first time when you log in, you get a new password and confirm password pop up, because the password will be given by them for the first time. And note down that you would have note down. Now I am setting a new password. Okay, type it 2 times and click on submit. You are through. See, your credentials are updated successfully. So anytime now you can log in using your latest set password. Now in the home page, after login, I am clicking on e-services. Once you click on e-services, left side a lot of options have come up. Please scroll down, friends, and select General Administration Department. So friends, this is the option, please don't forget. And here you can see here, application for domicile certificate. This is the place you have to exactly select under general administration. Now when you select that, you can see automatically already this is my domicile application, but my photo, all the details I already filled in the application form, it is automatically taken. Whatever it is not there, marked in red, you can see here, all these are must, because it's in red star mark. And period of stay at present location in JK is also important. You have to enter year and months, how many years and months you are staying in the present district of the Jammu and Kashmir. And if you scroll down, you can see here, these are the other options. Are you having any other domicile certificate in any other state? You select yes, otherwise select as no. And after this, these are your category. You should know under which clause you fall into. Okay, and accordingly you have to upload the documents. For example, the first case is permanent resident certificate holder. If you are already a permanent, this is the option. And second one is children of persons. So if you are a permanent holder, you need only permanent resident certificate. Whatever you are having, you can upload it. And if you are in the second case, children of see this one, children of possessing permanent residence certificate, then you select that option. In that case, you need two things: birth certificate and permanent certificate. So like this, you scroll down, friends, any of this option you are going to select according to your category, which is under which category you are looking for a domicile certificate. There are a lot of options. Your children of so and so, children or direct person or whatever. See, for example, this is a person who is residing for a period of 15 years and Jammu, then you should have the, accordingly you should have the documents given in the right side. Okay, for example, in case of this children of person, you can see here any of these documents is a must, and date of birth is also must. Okay, so it is clear cut, it's properly given, very genuinely given all the things. Okay, so you scroll down and you decide under which category you are falling to. Accordingly, the marks card also even asked a lot of maybe school certificate if you have studied to 10th 12th, and if you are a migrant, you can see here permanent residence certificate is needed. Otherwise, certificate of registration as migrant by a commissioner is needed. So you select under which category exactly. There are a lot of categories. Scroll down and select accordingly. I can show you one more thing. When you select one category, you can see here now in the attachment, choose file option is there, but nothing is enabled. See here, for example, permanent residence certificate, choose file you have to do here, but it's not enabled. Now if you click there, it will not work. That is because you didn't select any option on the top. Okay, so you have to go on top and select under which category you fall into, and also make sure uploaded attachment of these files should not exceed 250 KB. Now I'll just show you how we can activate all this file upload process. So what you have to do this for is first you have to decide your category, and then upload. So once you have chosen the file and upload, it is simple, straightforward. You have to click the declaration and click on preview button. Okay, so let us scroll up and see. For example, I select the first option. Okay, so if you so these are the mandatory fields. Okay, I would say these are the mandatory fields you have to enter in the form. I didn't take much time to show one by one, but make sure Aadhaar card, mother's name, and all these details like your village, address of post office, village locality, permanent address, all these are must. Okay, otherwise it is not going to work. And enter your year in number format. See any mistake, they'll point you out. Okay, so I just imagine I have filled all the forms above, and for example, say I fall under category 1, permanent residence certificate. So you can see here category 1, if I select, permanent residence certificate is the must document you are going to upload. And if you select the second one, you have two things: permanent residence certificate and date of birth certificate. So under these clauses, any one option you have to select. Okay, you should know, I already explained, but still I am showing you again because this is the most important part, which clause you are falling under. So this you should know. So for example, I fall under first category, permanent resident. Okay, if I select that and come back, you can see here under permanent resident certificate, my attachment option is now enabled, right? So you can see here, you can choose file and upload the document. So it's just like that. So whatever serial number, whatever clause category you are selecting, for example, say I fall under this. Okay, you can see here, accordingly in that category you need a lot of documents to be updated, like permanent resident certificate here, and then ration card here, immovable property record here, education certificate, electricity bill. See accordingly all the choose file buttons are enabled. Okay, so for making it example and simple, I just select permanent resident certificate holder. Okay, and you select your category accordingly, friends. And after this, click on the choose file option. When you click on choose file, you have two options: camera or documents. I would say documents option is better because camera will have a bigger image and it will not attach if it is more than 250 KB. And when you attach, you can see like this, the document name comes this like this. Scroll down, check the I declaration and click on preview button. Okay, and see if your size exceeds 250 KB, it will warn you like this. So it should not exceed. Make sure once things are fine, you get like this domicile certificate preview page. You scroll down completely and see all your details are right. This is the last chance to verify things before application. Once you find all the things are right, there is a submit button on the bottom. You click on the submit button. When you click on submit button, see this is the only permanent residence certificate I have already uploaded. See here, so in my case it was only one document. Once you upload it, you click on submit, things are done. You would have gotten I'm sorry for this. So once it is done, you can see here what you would have already now gotten application number, friends. I'm not showing you that because I did not upload. I didn't want to upload. Okay, I'm just showing this. So you would have got an application number by now. Please note down, it's very important you note down the application number. So say I got an application number. So next step is again click on the e-services button. Okay, once you click on the e-services button, again you scroll down and you can see here there is an option of payment. So whatever you needed to pay for this residence certificate, you can click here on the payment option and you click on the online payment button. So accordingly, when you click on see this is the application ID, you would have already got it when you submit the form. Click enter your application ID, click on submit. It will show you how much you had to pay for this domicile certificate and you have to pay it. Now to check the status, once you have paid it and waiting for the, once you have got an SMS saying it is approved, again go to e-services, and once you go to e-services, select general administration department, the same place where you have applied for the domicile certificate, and you can see there is a download button. So when you click on this download button, when things are ready, then here you can directly download your domicile certificate. So after payment, wait for the confirmation SMS. It might take a week or so accordingly, and once you get a confirmation, just come here, click on the download and get your domicile certificate downloaded. Thank you very much for watching. I would like to give us a like if you like this video. Also friends, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. See you with another video.